dreams come from a flash of inspiration. Creation comes from combining passion with intent. All the seeming impossibilities can become infinite possibilities. In the era of Industry 4.0, Taiwan, in unison with the world, is opening up new horizons of innovation with smart machines. We demand the highest standards of craftsmanship so that technology can realize people's desires. For it is people who drive technology to ever greater heights. Build with the world. Build dreams. Build the future. Build together with Taiwan Smart Machinery.